The internet used to be a place for creativity, originality, and connection. But lately, it feels broken. Scroll long enough, and you'll notice the pattern. Shallow blog posts, AI-generated YouTube videos, spammy product reviews, and fake news dressed in robotic language. Welcome to the age of AI slop, low-quality, machine-made content flooding the web. But is AI really to blame? Or are we just feeding the beast? AI slop is a term used to describe a rising wave of internet content created by generative AI, articles, images, videos, even fake social media profiles, produced not for value, but for clicks, SEO, and profit. These aren't thoughtful essays or expert opinions. They're algorithmic soup, content that looks human at first glance, but lacks depth, originality, or even basic truth. It's the internet equivalent of fast food. Cheap to make, addictive, but ultimately empty. AI content farms are booming because they're incredibly profitable. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or 11 Labs, a single person can generate hundreds of blog posts, fake reviews, or YouTube videos per day, all automated. Publishers pump this slop into search engines, social feeds, even academic databases, hoping to cash in before the platforms catch on. The goal? Volume, not value. The result? A polluted web. Search engines return low-effort answers. AI regurgitates AI, compounding errors. And human creators get buried beneath a tsunami of synthetic noise. In fact, some Reddit users are reporting that Googling anything now feels like sorting through a landfill, just to find one useful result. Even worse, AI slop is training future AIs. As more machine content fills the internet, the next generation of models learn from polluted data. It's a feedback loop of garbage. Let's look at how AI slop shows up in the wild. Amazon, flooded with fake reviews written by bots and ChatGPT-generated product descriptions that don't even match the item. YouTube, faceless channels using AI voices and stolen scripts to rake in ad revenue, often spreading misinformation. News, entire outlets publishing AI-written articles that misquote sources, invent facts, or fabricate statistics. Some platforms are fighting back. Google is tweaking its algorithm to favor helpful content. OpenAI is researching watermarking, and browser plugins can detect AI-written text. But AI isn't going away. In fact, it's getting smarter. So the burden is shifting to us, creators, consumers, developers, to raise the bar. Here's how to spot AI slop before it fools you. Repetitive, vague language with no real insight. Fake names, fake bios, or suspiciously generic avatars. Overuse of buzzwords like revolutionary, cutting edge, or unprecedented sources that don't link anywhere or don't exist. AI isn't the villain. It's a tool, a powerful one. But when we use it to flood the internet with junk, we devalue everything, including our own voices. The internet doesn't need more content. It needs more humanity. So before you click, share, or create, ask yourself, is this real? Or is it just slop? If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it before the algorithm drowns it in slop.